Hi guys, Masha here from Masha Plans, and today we will be talking about planning with a B6 journal. I used a mini B6 journal for a few last days of May, and I must say it has its benefits as well as its cons. So enjoy this Plan With Me video and be sure to check the blog post where I talk a little bit more about why you would want to use this size journal for your day-to-day planning.
So I'm starting for some pages that I don't actually need, but I feel like I have to create those pages every time I start a new journal. Plus, it's really a lot of fun. So first of all, I am creating a little quote page. And of course, I'm trying to do some full calligraphy because acrylograph pens are just the best for that. And to kind of decorate the page a little bit more, I am using some of Archer and Olive washi tapes. So for the cover page, I usually add the dates and the number of the journal, but this one is kind of a separate special mini journal. So that's exactly what I added to the cover page. Basically, now that I have planned several days in this mini journal, I feel like this will be kind of a companion bullet journal for me. So sometimes if I don't really have any energy to use my big journal, or if I have to kind of plan on the go outside of the house, I will be using this one. Next up is the monthly page, and well, it's kind of almost the end of the month by the time when I was setting it up, so it's not like I need a huge monthly log, but I added some space to write down any events and deadlines I have, and some space for all the tasks I have to accomplish. And yeah, I forgot the letter M in the word dump. But that's something that often happens to me when I'm doing full calligraphy, because it's more about drawing letters than writing them, and sometimes it goes wrong. Next up is a weekly spread, because even though I will be planning on a daily basis, I like to have an overview of the week to see if there are any deadlines or any important events that are happening, and that also allows me to have kind of a weekly habit tracker. I know it's also possible to track your habits on a daily basis, but personally I don't really like it, and I think at least weekly habit tracking really saves a lot of time and energy. And the final page is my daily log, and there isn't a lot I'm adding here. So I'm adding a little header and the date. I'm adding one of my stickers for tracking the water and a little space for tracking the moods. And I'm also creating a special area where I'm going to be writing my top tasks. And that's about it. Be sure to check the blog post. The link will be in the description.